dance. "11 months, a couple days ago." Benj, don't you want to dance? You were dancing all over.
You don't perform for the camera, huh?
He hasn't been feeling well still, huh? But he is singing. It's raining and pouring, huh? Benjamin, it's outside.